Okay, so welcome to another deep dive. Today we're looking into something, well, kind of huge, actually.
Definitely big, yeah.
It's this whole question of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, as everyone's calling it. Basically, like, can AI do everything a human can, mentally speaking?
Uh,
And, well, there's this debate raging. Did OpenAI just crack it?
right, right.
We've got two things to help us figure this out.
Okay, yeah.
A YouTube video, and then an article, kind of an educational one.
Nice. Sounds good.
So ready to deep dive.
Oh, absolutely. Let's do it.
All right, so first off, even defining AGI is tricky.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
for sure. It's not just like AI being good at chess or writing poems. It's way beyond that.
Right, like true understanding, learning any skill.
Exactly. And that's where these two opposing ideas come in. On one side, people are saying AI progress is slowing down.
Yeah, I've heard that too. Like the big leaps forward aren't so big anymore.
Right. And some folks, like Gary Marcus, this big AI critic, he's saying deep learning, which is like the engine behind a lot of AI, it's hit a wall.
So just throwing more computers and data at it.
Not enough anymore, they're saying.
Interesting. But then there's the other side.
Oh, yeah, and it's strong. Like, look at OpenAI's Eureka system. It's training robots, solving crazy math problems, all better than humans, 83% success rate.
83. Whoa, that's huge. But couldn't you say it's just memorized how to do those specific things really well?
See, now that's where measuring intelligence comes in. Not just doing tasks, but how it's doing them.
Right.
So there's this thing, the ARC AGI benchmark. It tests for actual understanding, abstract reasoning, stuff you can't just memorize.
Okay, makes sense. So how's AI doing on that test?
Not human level yet. AI's around 55.5, humans are at like 85. But the key is it's improving fast. And OpenAI, they want to saturate all benchmarks by 2025.
2025, that's practically tomorrow. Are they saying they'll have real AGI by then?
Well, it's a bold statement for sure, and they're doing wild stuff to get there, like hyperparameter tuning. It's like tweaking all the settings that control how AI learns.
Ooh, so finding the perfect recipe for AI learning, basically.
Exactly. And then there's this other thing, test time training. So even while the AI is being tested, it's still learning and adapting.
Wow. So it's like thinking on its feet, improving in real time.
You got it.
Okay, so if we've got these two sides, slowdown versus breakthroughs. It's confusing. What are we supposed to make of all this?
Honestly, it's not about picking a side. AGI isn't a straight line. It's messy, there's progress and limits all mixed up. It's exciting, but we got to be careful too.
You're right, you're right. So let's say OpenAI actually hits that 2025 target, benchmarks max out.
Hmm.
What then? What haven't we even thought of yet?
That's the big question, isn't it? And that's what I hope everyone listening keeps thinking about. Explore this stuff, stay curious, because this field is changing every single day.
It really is. All right, well, that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for diving in with us, and until next time, keep learning.
Absolutely. Keep learning.